Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and we have got the latest product from ZOHD, the ZOHD Talon GT Rebel, which is kind of the next step in the evolution of the ZOHD models for FPV or aerial camera use. It's just that little bit better than all the others that preceded it. So particular features is you can slot almost any camera into the front here. I've got my RunCam 3 in the front. But they give you lots of foam inserts for lots of all the other different types of cams that are out there, session cameras, GoPro and whatever. But I've set it up for V-tail with ailerons as well, an elevator. It runs on a 4S 4000 pack I've got in this, but you can put in a slightly heavier or lighter pack, and it's got quite a lot of grunt. So it should go pretty quick, but also quite stable. Let's give it a go. I hate those on the maiden flight, but that went really well. Couple of clicks of up trim. Really? Here we go. So there we go, that's the ZOHD Talon GT Rebel from our friends at banggood.com. Really good turn of speed, this one. And with all the features, you know, in the front where you can put different FPV cameras in or action cameras, really many options, then you can get some great footage whistling along at high speed because of that high capacity 4S pack that you can put in. That was a 4S 4000 pack, and you saw, you balance it right, it really does scoot out the hand of the hand launcher. Definitely for a maiden flight, get someone else to do it for you. Don't be tempted to do it yourself because you need to trim the model out the first time. But otherwise, you don't need any glue to put this thing together. It literally bolts together in about 5 minutes, and then you've just got to put your receiver in and set it up with your radio, which is really easy to do as well. So all the electronics are already in place, the servos, and they're already linked up to the control surfaces, so nothing to do. That's the great thing about these ZOHD models. You know, it takes no time to get them in the air. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Jason on camera this time. Thanks, mate. And tune in for the next one. You might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We've got lots more coming. The show season is about to start. Lots of video coming from shows like Wings and Wheels or Western Park and all the other great UK shows that are happening, and lots of other product reviews coming up as well. So thanks for watching this. See you next time.